Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Absolutely beautiful boat here. We have the classic white hull bottom and then the red badging across the side of the hull. This does have the stainless steel insert right here, low profile bow rails and stern rails. And then taking a look up here at the bow, we do have a spot up here to connect in the trolling motor, and we can mount that for you here. We have a bow filler cushion. We also have a cooler and or seat and rod holders right here at the helm. And taking a look at the helm, a lot of storage below there. It's option with JL audio. We have our 7-inch Simrad display screen, compass, standard tacks and gauges up there. And then our seat right here does reverse in a couple different ways. Right now it's facing backwards. You can also rotate it facing forwards, and then underneath that's going to be a live well. And with that fishing package, you're also going to have tackle on the other side of the helm. Great feature that I like right here on the stern of the boat, if you pop out the backrest here on either side, it gives you more room for rod holders. And then for water sports, we have a sports tower right here, and it's powered by 115 Mercury, so you're going to have a lot of power when you're out in the water. And just the fit and finish of this boat with the teak steps right here getting into the boat and on the side. It's just a classic model from Boston Whaler. Super excited to have this in stock. We haven't seen one here in a long time, so come on by and check it out. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.